Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to implement the Post to Twitter functionality within your mobile app. You can utilize Twitter in a few different ways within your mobile app. And we do have a video specifically regarding how to pull in your Twitter feed or your user's Twitter feed into your mobile app by going to the snappy.com website under the Product Tutorials section. This video is specifically related to the Post to Twitter capability, which you can find under the Element or Button section of the Snappy WYSIWYG editor. Utilizing a button or an element allows you to drag and drop that element onto virtually any screen or page within your mobile app. In this case, I've created a social page here that has a number of buttons already added, including a Post to Facebook button. So here is where I want to add my Post to Twitter button. I'm simply going to drag it over, drop it wherever I want it on the screen. I have the opportunity to give it a label or a title. I can specify an icon if I don't want to use the icon that is offered by default. I can click on that icon, select something from our pre-built library of icons, upload one from my computer, or find one on the web. Once I've made my selection, I can click OK. I can change the height and width of my button. I also have the opportunity to show the button as text only rather than using an icon. I'm going to check that just so that you can see what it looks like. I'm going to adjust the size of my button to accommodate for the label that I have given it and click OK. Now you can see that I have a large button called Post to Twitter. The color of the button is determined by the color theme that I selected for my app. If the color theme that you selected said that all buttons should be white, every time you selected the View Text Only for any particular button or element within your mobile app, it would be white. Going back in to the back end here, I'm going to uncheck View Text Only, and I'm going to select an icon. Again, we can pick from the library, choose one of your own, or upload something from the web. In this case, I'm going to go to the web. I'm going to put in Twitter, and several icons appear. I'm going to pick one, click OK. And then I also have the opportunity to determine whether or not I want my icon to have the standard rounded corners of app buttons or be simply square or rectangular, and whether or not I want to use a level of glossiness. And change your button to whatever size you want to have it show. Click OK, and now you can see my little bird here. Because this is an icon that people typically associate with Twitter, I don't necessarily have to have a label down below. So I'm going to remove my label, click OK, and now you can see that I have a Twitter button here. Since I specifically want to say something by default for my users to post to their Twitter account, I'm going to fill in the text down here. This is a New York City property app that I have been working on, so I'm going to simply say something like, New York City property app is very useful, check it out, and click OK. Now, when a user clicks specifically on the Post to Twitter button, the text that I have put in there is what's going to post to their Twitter account when they click share. That way, I can have the user put something specifically out there, spreading information about my app by word of mouth, giving it a recommendation, or again, I could put any other text in there that I would like them to share by doing just a one-touch button on their end. And that is all there is to implementing the Post to Twitter capability within your mobile app.